Ayaw niyo. Marunong ka sa camera?
5 bucks, 5 bucks.
Ayaw mag-ano eh.
$5 guys.
Wala, ayaw mo lang pa rin yun eh.
Free throws, who's foul ref? Foul, Averilia. Oh, Harris, sorry, Harris.
Hirap mo pa eh. $5 na agad. Best kaya ba? Di ko nakukuha ng picture.
Johan, hawak ang bola. Johan. Brian. To Rondi. Foul. Foul, Garcia. 5-4. 1 point lead for the Black team. Walang tira, pasok. 6-4. Second shot coming up. Miss rebound by number 14. Oliver. Oliver against Brian. Oliver. Oh, rebound by Jay. Foul. Oliver. 40 foul. Penalty na kayo.
Hey, no more fouls, ha?
No more fouls to give. Sabong. Rondi to Johan. Johan, jump shot. Missed. Rebound by number 10. To number 5. Oy! Still, nasa corner. Johan with the ball. Pasa kay Brian. Kicking. Sub! Coach Tom, sub! Myron, hawak ang bola. Batang. Oh, wide open. Intos. Rebound by Ron Dizzy. Here comes Ron. Ron. Hoy! Oh, sayang. And one. Foul, Rondi. Three-point play completed. Lamang na ang Sabong Online by 1 point. Number 5. To Rondi. To Brian. Brian McKnight. Anthony. Oh! Bad pass by Anthony. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. First time lang yan. Banjo, pasa kay Batang.
Apat na kayo dyan, kabila!
Bibigyan ng screen, binigyan kay Banjo. Pinasa kay Myron. Myron, tumira. Myron, 3 points. 10-6. Apat na lamang ang Sabong. Oy, good defense. Kaninong kiki? Kaninong kiki?
Oliver.
Oliver. Anthony, 2 points. 10-8. Good shot by number 45.
AC Green.
AC Green, kalibre 45. Banjo, binigay kay Myron ulit. Myron, atake. Foul. Foul. Number 1, Rondi. Second personal foul ni Rondi.
Pumasok pareho.
Split and charity, 11 to Jay, banat ang 3. Mintes, Banjo for the rebound. Oh, si Batang na. Tan. Ayan na. Banjo, kay Myron.
Take it!
Touchdown, wide. Rebound by Ron DC. Oy, balpal ng board si Roddy. Yan na. Oy! Banat ulit si Coach. Wala pa rin. Jump ball. Black ball. Possession arrow. Black. Next possession. Sabong Online. Jay, 3 points.
3 points.
Tied ball game. 11-11.
Pipicture mo na nga ako kahit ano.
Free throws. Ay, okay ha. Yung centro nilang kalbo, dalawa na foul. Wala pa. Wala. Sino bang yung dalawang foul? Si Ronde. Get foul. Yung isang yung... Yun o. Number 1. Four seconds! Take it!
Second quarter na ba to? Bilis oh. Alright, kita tayo. Bukas.
Start of the second quarter.
Let's go, Red! Come on!
Wala na pang telepono. Shot mo na, shot mo.
Coach Tom, hawak ang bola. Coach Tom. Pasa kay Rondy. To Coach Tom. Coach Tom, 3 points! 16-11. 5-point lead para sa Black Team. Banjo, atake. 16-13. 3 points ang lawan ng Dark of Black Team. Oh, good defense. Good defense. Randy, balik kay Jay. Jay against Oliver. Banjo for the rebound. Banjo to Banjo. Oliver. Offline. Rebound by Anthony. Close. Anthony there for the putback. 18-13. 5-point lead ulit para sa Black Team. Oliver to Banjo. Oliver against Johan. Banjo, 3 points. 18-16, 2-point lead para sa Galvanizers. Foul, Banjo.
Look. Expensive yun. Kailangan na nakuha nyo yung expensive. Pakausap mo ano.
19 to 16. 3-point lead. Oy! Foul Anthony! Oh, first personal foul pa lang pala. First team foul.
Yes, sir.
Si Ron DC pala ang 2 foul. Yung referee natin, 6 foul. Unang tira, pasok. 18-17. Oh, 19-17. Sorry, boss. Tao lang. 19-18. 1-point lead para sa Black Team. Jay, hawak ang bola. Pasa kay Ron D. Oy, ganda. Oy, ganda. Oy. Stolen. Double team. Anthony, pasa kay Coston. Wide open. Malakas. Oy, si Coston pa rin. Up. Juan Jun. Oh, recovered by Banjo.
Easy na.
Happy Fiesta. Coston. Oh, libre. Tira na yan. 21-18. Shot! Substitution!
Control mo. Madali si Batang. Madali. Hindi mo makukuha sa kwarta. Let the game go. Oo. Ako ganun ako eh. Nung bata.
Roy. Pasa kay Banjo. To Banjo. To Roy. To Myron. Roy. Manay short. Rebound by Johan. Nako, short. Banjo for the rebound. Who's foul, rep? Foul, Sabong. Bola ng Black. Short. Rebound by Sabong. Banjo, wide open. Banjo, 3 points. Tie ball game. Good pick. Brian. 2 points for Brian. 23-21. 2-point lead para sa Dark Team. Banjo, hawak ang bola. Pasa kay Roy.
Take it, Roy!
Lakas.
Hawak doon, Roy!
Joy, hawak ang bola. To Rondi. To Brian. Who's foul, rep? Foul. Harris. Two points. Ay, hindi nagpe-pay attention. Malakas, patira na Harris. Rebound by Joe. Rebound by Banjo. To Banjo. points. 25-23. 2 points pa rin ang lamang ng black. Coach Tom with the ball. Coach Tom. Rebound. Foul to Roy. No more fouls to give. Ulit on red. Penalty ng red. Next foul will mean 2 free throws. Banjo for the rebound to Banjo. 42 seconds. 37 seconds. 2 points for Marion. Tie ball game. 30 seconds. Myron. Rebound.
25 seconds. Last shot.
20 seconds. Out. Time out. Why? Sabong.
Wala na kayo timeout, ha?
For the first half, wala na kayong timeout. Seconds to shoot and make a basket. Let's go.
Babato pa kasi doon sa kalaban, hindi na lang tumatangay.
Seles!
Myron. 12. 10. Banjo, 3 points.
Pressure! Come on!
End of the first half. 3 points ang lamang ng Red.